Why did India's minister visit ASML's facility in the Netherlands? And why ASML is so important for India? Let's break it down in this video. When we talk about semiconductors, we hear names like Intel, Samsung, TSMC, or Nvidia. But behind all of them is a company that does not design chips, does not fabricate chips, but still it's important. That company is ASML. It is a Dutch multinational company specializes in the development and manufacturing of photolithography machines and controls over 80% of the market and holding a monopoly on advanced EUV systems. Think of lithography like a super advanced printer, but instead of ink on a paper, it uses light to print billions of microscopic circuits onto silicon wafers. These printed patterns become your CPUs, GPUs, and memory chips. Without this step, chips simply cannot exist. And every major chip maker like Intel, Samsung, TSMC depends on ASML's machines to do it. You might have heard ASML is the only company where semiconductor industries look for chip printing. Now, here is something very important you need to hear. ASML is not the only lithographic supplier. Nikon makes DUV lithographic machines. Canon offers nano imprint lithography. These can manufacture larger or mature node chips. So older and larger chips, like those in appliances, cars, and power electronics, don't fully depend on ASML. And this is a very important distinction. So what's the special about this ASML? But when you move to cutting edge chips below 10 nanometers, things change. For these tiny high performance chips, you need EUV, extreme ultraviolet lithography. EUV is crucial for producing the most advanced microchips, like 3 nanometer and below. And today, ASML is the only company in the world that can build EUV machines. No Nikon, no Canon, only ASML. That means every 5 nanometer, 3 nanometer, or 2 nanometer chip used in AI GPUs, flagship smartphones, data centers, and advanced processors all depend on ASML's EUV technology. Now coming to India's semiconductor push. India has recently started building its own semiconductor industry. The government is setting up chip fabrication plants, including a major one in Dholera, Gujarat. And this fab will use ASML's lithography machines. This means India is not just designing chips anymore. We are moving towards manufacturing chips locally. This reduces imports, creates jobs, and make India more self-reliant in technology. When you are building a semiconductor industry, you must partner with the best technology providers in the world. If ASML expands in India, it's a huge confidence signal for the entire semiconductor ecosystem. So in short, ASML builds the lithography machines. Lithography prints the chips. India is building fabs, and this visit connects everything together. India's semiconductor journey has officially begun, and partnership like this could shape our tech future for decades. Thanks for watching this channel.